How to log in Wise account online. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, launch your preferred browser and search for wise.com. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to its official webpage. In here, you'll be able to see the login or register button at the very top of the screen. In order to log in into your Wise account, just click on the login option. Now in here to log in or create your Wise account, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is simply get through a security verification, after which you can choose the option to log in with the Facebook, Google or Apple. After which, with a direct access with them, you'll be into your Wise account without a hassle. It should be a quick and easy process. If not, you can manually add your email address and password to log in into your Wise account as well. And it's a quick and easy video. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, check out the help and support. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.